Today's story is both a disturbing and deeply serious. A well-known South African influencer, Mhlalinda Mase, has released a public statement saying she fears for her life and the safety of her family after months of alleged harassment, stalking, and intimidation by a man she claims she rejected romantically. According to a statement, what started as unwanted advances escalated into obsessive behavior, with the men alleged following her, appearing at her workplace, showing up in places where she was seated or parked, and monitoring her movements. Family members have been approached in public, and that people were even paid to follow her and take photos of her without her consent. She also claims that false and damaging stories about her have been spread online and repeated by some media platforms without proper verification, causing a serious reputational harm and increasing the danger to her safety. The influencer says she is now working with law enforcement and taking legal steps to protect herself, explaining that she is not speaking out for attention or sympathy, but because staying silent has become unsafe. She ended her statement with a very powerful message saying influence does not equal consent and no woman owes anyone access to her life, her time, or her body, reminding everyone that no means no. This story has sparked a widespread debate online about stalking, consent, and media responsibility, the safety of women in South Africa. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment your thoughts down below, and I will see you on my next upload.